when you're having a poultry farm, this is definitely not what you want. Caked manure or caked wood shavings on your ground is a no-no. So make sure you change your wood shavings as soon as you see it wet, so it doesn't get like that. It makes it a lot harder. As someone investing from the diaspora, you already know there's challenges that are going to come with your investment. In terms of poultry, the risks are so high. People tell you what they think you want to hear instead of what you need to hear in terms of management and the way the people work. So when I got there the first time, I was so emotional to see the condition that my chickens were in, that the ladies were in. It just felt so bad. So you need to really, before you invest your money into poultry, especially in Liberia, if you cannot be on site, I don't know, I would say hold off and rethink, because poultry is high risk investment. If you do it right, it's very profitable. Make one mistake and you are losing thousands of dollars. So, but I'll tell you all about it in the future videos. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do so you don't miss out when I tell you my experience that I've had with poultry farming in Liberia. So to change your wood shavings, you are going to need a shovel, a broom, a wheelbarrow, or something that you are going to put the waste in. For us, we use bag. You are also going to need the fresh wood shavings that you will be putting on the ground. So these are the first things that you need before you start. And of course, I would highly recommend a mask. You want to move the chickens as far away from where you're cleaning as possible, because obviously you don't want to cause harm to them. And if you're going to do this, I recommend you do it early in the morning or late in the evenings, especially if you're in a tropical area like we are, which gets really, really hot. To start, you just choose a spot where you want to start. Basically, our house was covered with caked manure or caked wood shavings, so anywhere could do for us. But if you're not in that situation, you just look for where it's caked and get the caked manure out first. Put fresh new wood shavings there. I highly advise that you disinfect your wood shavings, especially if you're not the one producing it or if you're not buying it packaged already. If you're just getting it from carpenters like we are, I highly recommend you disinfect it, which is what we did with ours before the chickens came to that side that we had already done. And the chickens were so excited that as soon as we finished, they all just jumped over to the other side where we were doing, and they were just like dust bathing in the wood shavings and everything. So it was really exciting to see how happy they were, and it was just due to one change, which is wood shavings, like fresh new wood shavings that they can just bathe in and roll in. And I was really pleased with myself to see them being so happy. This is what we've taken off. That's what they're getting. Do not ever get your wood shavings to get to this stage. It's very bad.